Well, the New Zealand Wine Company is the holding company for Grove Mill and Sanctuary. Those are the two major brands that we have. And those are the brands that we send worldwide with the Carbon Zero logo on them. Becoming the world's first carbon neutral winery was a tremendous achievement. And it gave us a lot of entree into certain supermarkets, particularly in the UK, where we now sell products like Froghaven and Origin. We see ourselves as part of our environment. We're not placed in it as something different. I very much believe that the industrial side of winemaking exists perfectly well with the natural side of our environment. We can actually show that between 2003 and 2008, we have halved the amount of electricity we use to process a tonne of fruit. There can be large costs and there can be small costs, and there can be large savings and there can be small savings. My advice to everybody is get involved. You'll find that once you do something, you'll find that it was easy. You'll also find that it will become something you realise you should have done anyway. Silly little things like taps on the end of hoses just to save water, all the way through to spending large amounts of money on heat exchangers. The latest one, which we have arriving in about 3 weeks, is a new bottling line. And that involves things like, with rinse water, recycling it. So instead of each bottle having a rinse of water and it going down a drain, each bottle will have a rinse of water that'll be refiltered and reused. It's part of our philosophy that sustainability means actually being sustainable as a society. So we help our neighbours. We would hope our neighbours would help other provinces in our country. We would hope our country would help other countries. Part of that is doing stuff like the CNNet. That type of social networking program, CNNet, allows people to actually be able to access the experience of others. It also allows them to break down that barrier of, I'm doing something I don't understand, or I'm doing something that's going to cost my company money, or I'm doing something that people might laugh at. Because you can pull up a piece of paper, or you can bring up the screen, you can say, well look, how can it be wrong? Well, these guys are all doing it.